Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we are going to be learning how to know your Roblox ID using your mobile device. Whether you need your Roblox ID for games, groups or trading, this guide will help you out, so make sure to follow along. First of all, open up the Roblox application on your mobile device and log in to your account. Once logged in, tap on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, click on Profile. After you open up your profile, go to the bottom and click on Share Profile. Now, click on Copy in the pop-up to copy your profile ID. Now, open up your Notes or open up any web browser on your mobile device. Go to the search bar and paste in the ID that you just copied. There you will be able to see the number in the middle. For example, in my case, it's this number over here. This numbers is your Roblox User ID. And that's it. Now you know how to find your Roblox ID in the mobile device in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.